Hey everyone, and welcome back to this channel. I know I haven't done a video on this channel for a while. I've been pretty busy with uni stuff, although I do plan to get back to it. And I'm going to start that with these headphones. So this company reached out to me and they asked if I wanted to have a look at their headphones. So these aren't just any headphones. They said that their headphones, their Bluetooth headphones, that also act as speakers. So I was kind of curious to see whether either of them would sound good. Yeah, anyway, I'm just going to unbox it now and have a little listen to it. It's not going to be like a review of anything. I'm going to do, probably after maybe a week or so, or a bit longer, I'm going to give my opinions after using it for a bit. But yeah, for now, I just want to see what they're like, because I haven't actually opened this box yet. So I'm going to open it with all you guys. So yeah, let's go. As you can see on the front of the box, it's saying here about the wireless speaker, high fidelity built-in mic, foldable design, all that sort of stuff. Just the name there. And on here just says what the buttons are and that sort of stuff. But anyway, without further ado, let's take off the seal, which I'm probably going to skip this bit because I'm going to take ages. And then let's open it up. So I'm making this, oh, there's another seal. Yeah. You can tell I haven't opened it yet. Okay, let's fully take the seals off. God, I'm making this look so much harder than it probably should be. There we go. Oh wow, this actually looks pretty nice. Okay, so as you can see on the top, yeah, it looks a bit like fake leather, I guess. But yeah, it looks pretty nice. These feel pretty good. It is circular, which I prefer ones that are like oval, kind of like my Bose Soundlake 2s. But yeah, I mean, this feels like pretty cheap plastic here. But I mean, it doesn't feel bad. I mean, yeah, this is cheap plastic, but other than that, this feels pretty nice. These feel pretty nice. But anyway, let's get to listening to it. Actually, first, before I get to listening to it, I'll just show you what's on it. On here, there's the power button, which is the Bluetooth button too. There's an LED here. This over here is to switch it between being for speakers and for headphones. And yeah, volume up and down. So all the controls are on there. They fold up, which is pretty nice, like that. And there's also a wire in here to link it up directly. So it can work wired or wirelessly, which is pretty nice. So anyway, now let's actually get to seeing what this sounds like. God, I can't speak. So now let's get to actually seeing what this sounds like. So I'll see what it feels like first, to be honest. So these are on ear, which I'm not too big of a fan of on ear. They don't extend that much too, which is weird. It only extends to like there. So if you've got a big head, you might have a bit of... You might not be able to use these. I'm not used to one ear, so for me it doesn't feel too comfortable, but that's because I'm used to over ear. I'm sure for people that are used to on ear it'll be fine. Because this is pretty nice and spongy too. Yeah, they do sound pretty good. Let's turn it up a bit. Yeah, pretty good sound quality. So let's switch it over to speaker now, if I can find where it is here. So there's just a little switch here that you can use to switch them. And if I just do that. Nice. So let's turn them up again. Wow, that's pretty good. That's pretty good. So it's coming out of here and out of here. It's coming out of both of them. So you could just leave that like that. Yeah, I mean, that's the only thing. It's kind of hard to place them, but like that. I guess that could work like that. And yeah, you just switch them like that. It switches pretty much instantly. You can do it while it's playing music, just like that. Let's see if it works over the wire. Actually, I'm curious to see if it works over the wire. So let's switch it. Yeah, perfectly fine over the wire. Perfectly fine over the wire. Yeah, so pretty impressed. I'm pretty impressed, and I'm not just saying that. I am literally pretty impressed at these. I was thinking, to be honest, for one, there's not really much noise leak, which is pretty good. About the same as my Bose headphones. Yeah, and they both sound pretty good. The speakers sound great. It sounds basically the sound on par with each other. This isn't going to be my final review, but first impressions are this is pretty great. So props to them for these headphones. Something else I'll note too is that it's 3.5 millimeters at both sides too, which on the Bose headphones is actually 2.5 on one side and 3.5 on the other. So that basically means you should, in theory, I mean, I will test it, but you should be able to just get any of these types of cables and use them with this. That's what I imagine you'd be able to do. I've got one for the car, so I'll try it with that one. But yeah, I am genuinely impressed. I'll put a link in the description where you can find them for yourself. I hope you enjoyed my first video coming back after a while on this channel. I do plan to do more. As I said, I was just busy with uni work. I have got a video that's pretty much half done at the moment, so I should be getting that done soon. But yeah, hope you all have a great day. I'll see you all in the next video. I don't remember if I used to end the videos on this channel with that, but whatever. Bye.